Module 4, Databases in Healthcare. So the database in healthcare that you're going to be using is going to be something called Microsoft Access. So in this module, you're going to examine the use of databases in healthcare. Students will use software to create, edit, and generate reports, which will be in Access. Students will also discuss how computerized medical data banks are used in healthcare today. So throughout this, you're going to investigate how computerized databases are used in healthcare, and you'll be doing this by reading your chapters associated with this module and perform basic database tasks. You might create a table, perform a query, generate a report, customize the report, and of course, create the database itself. You do have a reading assignment, which is going to be Chapter 8 in your introduction, called Introduction to Databases. Here is the Access tutorial. So you would click on this to kind of get an idea of how to kind of maneuver through Access. Then one of your assessments will be to then create a database. So you're going to create a database using the Microsoft Access application. Some of these activities you can use by creating the database may include patient registration, a work list for caring for a group of patients, a track for tracking clinical experiences, maybe even a topic of interest that might be approved by your instructor. So if you have any other ideas, you could also ask, and that could be used as well. So you would want to follow these 6 different points. Start with a blank database, add at least 10 records, manually entering them in. Then create a table, perform a query, generate a report, edit and customize a report in layout view. And then you would submit this in Canvas. You also have a discussion. The medical field uses a variety of databases. For this discussion board, do some research on how the medical field utilizes databases. So for your first response, provide 3 examples of databases in healthcare. You should include at least 6 sentences and include at least 1 cited source in APA formatting. Then in your response to 2 different peers, also include a response at a minimum of 4 to 6 sentences. And then if you have questions about that, see the rubric for further grading details. If you have any questions about this, please let me know.